Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and you are watching another webguy YouTube channel, and today we'll see how we can create this beautiful and easy 3D text effect in just CSS. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. We'll start with adding some basic HTML, just a piece of text to which we want to give the 3D effect. In the CSS, let's first give a nice background. Now I am using the position property to place the text in the center of my screen. Now to create the 3D effect, I'll just be using the text shadow property. As you can see, I'm increasing the vertical offset by 1 pixel and keeping the horizontal offset of the shadow constant. This will give us a nice 3D looking text. And in the end, I increased the horizontal and vertical offset and gave a blur of 15 pixels so that the text seems to be raised from the background. Now we can play with the hover state. I'm reversing the vertical offset so that we can get a turning effect on our text. In the end, let's increase its size a little bit so that it looks even more cool. That was all for today's video. In case you learned something, please hit the like button and share with your friends. If you are still not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. You'll get new videos related to internet and web development every week. Thank you.